another brand new mini drone from DJI. This one is called the DJI Leto X1. Now, it looks like a more advanced offering of their brand new Leto range. They call it the X1. It does have omnidirectional obstacle avoidance, and this Fly More combo here does come with the DJI RC2 controller. The drone weighs under 250 grams, which is really nice to see, and it'll be interesting to see if this replaces any of their other mini drones that are on the market. Alright, so let's get into it and see how it all comes packaged. Looks like it might just be, there we go, nothing else in the box. So it's just a bag that's nicely sealed. I haven't seen them do this before. Normally it's not wrapped like this. But this is just another layer of satisfaction. Ooh, there we go. Okay, so nice little bag. It's actually quite small. It really is quite small. Usual kind of bag that we've seen from DJI before. Nothing too, crash hot or exciting here. There you go. You can use it as a legit bag. You can, a shoulder bag. You can extend it out to make it a little bit longer. Whatever it is that you need to do. But that feels pretty standard from DJI. Now let's have a look what we get inside here. Alright, so we've got the controller, we've got the drone, we've got the charging hub, and then in here probably got some more accessories as well. So there you go, that's everything in the bag. It's a nicely packed bag. Again, pretty standard for DJI at this point. Just try to tidy this up just a little bit so we can have a look. So the bag is just going to have to come off for a little bit. So we've got the usual stickers, information booklet, and all that good stuff. Move that to the side. We've got some spare propellers, which is always nice. There's a fair few spare propellers there. So that's how that comes. We've got a screwdriver as well. And then these are the main pieces here. So let's have a look at the drone. First things first. See how this comes packaged. Okay. Nice big gimbal cover here. It's a hard plastic as well, so it's going to protect the camera system. There it is right there. We've got some protection for the propellers, so we can see 249 grams. I imagine it's going to be pretty standard with how it folds out. There we go. Pretty standard looking mini drone, really. Nothing too different just yet, but what I did notice is the big old fisheye obstacle avoidance on top and below here. So that's cool to see. I don't know what these sensors are here. That'll be interesting to learn some more about. There's the battery there, and it just says ultralight 249 grams. Then we've got the controller. And I'll read through what the box says actually, just to let you know some of the specs. But this is a standard controller, nothing new or exciting. It's just the DJI RC2, which it just says on the back there. So a standard controller, but still very, very good controller. Yeah, standard nowadays though for a lot of drones from DJI. Oh, so that's that. And then we've got the charging hub. Oh, they've gone for this design again. We've seen this recently actually, this kind of open window design. Could be to do with heat dispersion. I have no idea, or if it's just an aesthetic. But the lights don't come there, so it's not like that's a panel for lights. Pretty standard though. As always, you've just got the power button, USB-C. Comes with the 3 batteries. That all feels... Oh, it doesn't actually click as nicely. That feels a little less satisfying. But anyway, still clicks into place, does its thing. We've even got this little section here, so a little micro SD holding space right here. That's cute. Love that. That's a new little concept, but very smart. You can just put a few micro SD cards there. Looks like it's got the space for 3. That's cool. So that's that. Now let me just quickly read on the box. I'm just going to do it off to the side. It's a little hard to get everything into the frame. But it says omnidirectional obstacle sensing. So that's literally just using 2 sensors by the looks of it. One on top, which is fisheye, so it's going to see everything. And then one underneath here. It's got active track 360 degrees. It's a 1/1.3 inch sensor on the front there. And you can see on the arm it says Leto X1. Under 249 grams, extended battery life, and 15 kilometers of range. So really, really impressive stuff here. That looks nice. Definitely looks like a standard mini drone. Nothing too unique from what I can see besides the obstacle avoidance. I really am curious about that, whether that's just vision positioning. I don't know what those sensors are next to the obstacle avoidance, but we will learn as we go, I guess. Nothing else too unique I can see on here. No, on the back just USB-C and a micro SD slot. Power button on the back, or on the top at the back. Pretty standard looking. Still quite a unique design though. Feels sturdy, nice plastic build to it. Just says Leto X1, and you got the, I don't know what these are here, whether these are sensors or are these just like material that they've put up here. Don't know, we'll learn about it I guess as we go. But that's what you can expect from the kit. Comes with a nice bag, and these are the main 3 pieces. Obviously you get the accessories as well, so you get, you know, everything that I showed you before, but this is the main kit right here and what you can expect from the Leto X1 from DJI.